What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a Shindaiwa. I'm going to show you a couple steps to service this weed eater, and it applies to many different weed eaters. Right now we're just blowing it off, to clean some debris off. First thing I like to do is replace the fuel filter on it. I do clip some of the excess fuel line off that was on the filter. That kind of gives it, a kind of new fresh start on the fuel line. So and this fuel line does has a silver retainer clip on it. It kind of keeps it on the fuel filter. So I did cut it back some to put that on there as well. Hope everybody having a good day today. This right here actually was a pole pruner. So it's an attachment where you can hook a poles on the end of it. But still is a weed eater head, I consider it. So right now I'm putting on a new fuel filter. And right now I'm just making sure that I have that keeper on the end of the filter. Next I'm going to replace the plug. The plug actually looked okay. It could have been reused, but client told me to service it, so I replaced the plug in it as well. I did check the fuel lines. You want to check your fuel lines to make sure they're not dry rotted or cracked or brittle. These were still in pretty good shape, so I didn't have to replace them. Next we're going to go down and place or clean the filter. This right here filter is a reusable filter, so a lot of times when they're like this, you just take them, spray them in a little brake cleaner, blow them off. They look just about sometimes good as new. Then you want to re-put it in, and usually that's it. Job probably takes take me about 10 to 15 minutes. Someone who never done it before, probably about 30 minutes. Pretty simple job. Right now I'm just filling it with fuel. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel for future content. I usually put it about 3 times. Most times they'll crank up. They don't crank up on 3 tries. Something else wrong with it. Thanks for watching, guys.